We're really excited about the work that the Woorndoo Land Protection Group have been doing. There's a lot of focus and investment in protecting the areas the remnant areas that we have left, but I think it's great that groups who realise just how important these areas are actually doing the work to recreate new areas of restored native grassland.
We are putting in a plant community which contains many of the species from that community. We don't even know what that used to look like in any real recorded sense. But you know, we can grow a vegetation which contains many of the same species and probably looks somewhat similar to how that looked back in the day.
Well, yeah, that's purchased as a turf renovator, the undercarriage, which has got just those prongs that vibrate as they're turning over the ground, make little divots, and a rake behind, and then a roller to press in the seed. It doesn't actually plough up the ground, which we think could be used on remnant grasslands to enhance them without actually ripping it all up, because it doesn't really damage the plants.
There is a powerful argument for, wherever possible, restoring our roadsides to a fair bit of grassland. It doesn't have to be as complex as the one we're standing in at the moment, but that would be nice, because it's relatively easy to achieve this particular level of diversity. It's at least worth looking at and worth considering that rather than harvesting a crop each year, and of course it's legal, which is the other issue, rather than harvesting a crop each year, sowing and harvesting, that you would have a permanent perennial crop, a grass crop that could be sold off for whatever purpose, either as fodder or as seed.
This will allow us to take back some more of the degraded areas, reduce some of that risk of weed spread into our good quality remnant sites, and it'll provide more of a seed source for that, for the restored areas to distribute the native seed through other areas.